do we see over here? We see flour, icing sugar, butter. Oh my God! I know what's gonna be made here. Shortbread cookies. Oh yeah, my favorite. Oh, I hear someone coming. Let's go. Ah, yes. Wow, so let's see. Make sure I have everything here. Cake and pastry flour, baking powder, and oh, hey, how's it going? Just about to make my mom's great shortbread cookie recipe. It's gonna be great. So let's see. Make sure I have everything for the shortbread. 4 cups of cake and pastry flour. Yep. Some salt. Half a teaspoon of baking powder. Yep. What is that? 1 cup of fruit sugar. Nope. I'll use icing sugar instead. What the hell? 1 cup of soft butter. What else do I need to mix and bake for 40 minutes at 350? And that's it. Pretty freaking simple. Okay, so 1 pound of butter. 4 cups of flour. Half a teaspoon of salt. So, half a teaspoon of baking powder. 1 cup of icing sugar. Well, it should be fruit sugar, but I don't have it, so using icing sugar. Now just mix it all up. There, that ought to do it. All mixed up. Now, to form them into cookies. Take some dough, roll it in your hand, like that. Great. And I'm going to use my mom's cookie sheet. This cookie sheet's been in the family since the 70s. Unbelievable. So, there. Put that there like that. Then just press with a fork to give it a little design on the top. Flatten it down a bit as well. Now to take some sugar cherries and cut them up. Cut them in quarters. Then I'll just place on top like this. Press it in and ta-da. Yep, just sure isn't Christmas season unless you have some great old-fashioned shortbread. Oh yeah. So good. Yeah, so I'm sure my mom is glad that I'm making her shortbread recipe here. And it's great that I can share it with you all too. And you know, some people are like, don't share that recipe, it's a family secret, it's great, it's sacred. But you know what? Christmas is a time of giving. And this is a great gift for you all. My mom's awesome shortbread. You know, most people make shortbread as hard as a brick. And these are not. These are really light and fluffy, and you're going to love it. So you got to try it. It'll be great. There, that'll do it. Now, all ready to put in the oven. Oh, right in there we go. Oh, man. Can't wait until those are done. In the oven baking just now. Gonna be good. You know, I was thinking, you know, sure my mom was cheap at Christmas, but you know, other times of the year, you know, other times during our life, well, we all got braces. That's not a cheap thing. You know, I got fishing gear, I think I got my first guitar and amp, so no, she wasn't always cheap, just didn't want to buy toys or a Christmas tree. So yeah, cheap when it was convenient for her. Anyways, can't wait till those cookies are done. Oh goody, they're done! Woo! Oh yeah. Stick these here to cool. Very good. Let them cool and I'll be right back.
Shh. Be very quiet. Hey, stop pushing. I want to see. Oh man, look at those beauties. I can't wait to get my hands on those. And my mouth. Yeah. Shh. They sure look good.
You think they're cooled down by now?
Yeah.
Let's have a little nibble.
Mm-mm. This one sure looks like it's ready to be eaten. Oh yeah, this one's really good. Nice and warm and melt in your mouth. Woohoo! Let me have a taste. Sure. Oh shit, someone's coming. Hurry, put it back down. Oh man. Hurry, split.
Yeah, cookies should be nice and ready. And what happened to my cookies? Something took a bite out of a cookie. I better set a mouse trap. Oh well. Can't blame them. They are good. Oh yeah, this is gonna be great. Oh, look at that beauty. It's gonna be so good. Melt in your mouth or what? So good. Nothing like warm shortbread on a Christmas Eve with a nice cup of coffee to go along with it. And sitting by the tree, it's awesome. But you know, I better get to bed or Santa won't come. See you later.